In this video, we'll demonstrate how to hide your friends list on your PlayStation 5 account. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to hide your friends list on the PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into the steps. From the home screen, navigate to Settings. Select Users and Accounts. Go to Privacy. Under View and Customize Your Privacy Settings, locate your information. Choose Who can see your friends. There are several options: Anyone, Friends of Friends, Friends Only, or No One. By selecting No One, you'll hide your friends list from everyone, including friends and those outside your friends list. This quick tutorial ensures your friends list remains private. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnetguide.com.